Good morning, friends. I'm Stacy and this is Kevin, and we are on a Key Largo adventure. And if you've been watching our channel, you know we've done a lot of excursions with charters. And today we're gonna take all those experiences and do it by ourselves. We've rented a boat for today, and here we go. Join us for the fun. Should I put those in there?
Yeah, I would.
To do this, he had to take a test before we could actually come out, and he did a little boater safety thing too. But it still feels nerve-wracking. We're out in the ocean. So it's a bit choppy out here this morning, and that's making me feel a little bit on the nervous side. How you feeling?
It's not hideous, but it is choppy. Try to get going fast and it just boom, 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 banging you around. You probably can't tell from the GoPro camera how much we're rolling back and forth right now, but it's not ideal conditions for a small boat. So, I mean, I'm not scared, but it's not enjoyable. So we might go back up into the mangroves, kind of maybe hang out in there.
Then we could come back out a little bit later when they said this afternoon it's going to be a little less choppy, because we'd like to do some fishing. We have some snorkeling gear, but the waves for me are a bit much in this little boat out here. But it's probably just because I'm not used to this. I'm gonna get up here. One nice thing is they did call to check on us to make sure how we're doing and all of that, so that was good. The folks, the dock master did.
All right, so we're anchored out here now. We got the anchor to grab, so we're gonna grab a little bit of lunch and kind of wait for the seas to bobble down a little bit. Maybe we'll do some fishing right here too. We'll see.
The thing about the Keys that's different from other kind of boating, because we had a boat before, but we did lake boating, and the Keys specifically, even different from oceans, is that there's so many areas out here where all of a sudden it gets really shallow, and then there's the coral reef areas that you have to be very careful of, because you can severely damage the reef. So you've got to be really, really careful, which makes me slightly nervous. So we do have some Dramamine, but as you probably noticed in the last video, when we had Dramamine when we went fishing, it was out cold the rest of the day after that. Why did you just have to take water out of the boat?
Because every boat fills up with water. It's kind of ridiculous, but they do. And the one thing about like getting seasick too, it's usually not bad for a while, but then when you just never get a break from the rolling and the up and down, that can get to you after a while.
Mostly what gets to me is thinking that I'm going overboard. That's what gets to me. I love the water, and I love the ocean. I love to go on cruises, but I'm not one to get in the water very much.
Yeah.
I do on snorkeling trips and things like that, especially if there's other people around that are where I don't want to be the only shark bait.
Yep.
So we're attempting to put the anchor down and gonna just kind of float for a minute. The anchor is 90 feet.
We're gonna go out to a different spot. Now it's calmed down just a touch. We're gonna see if we can get out there without creating too much of a ruckus. It's on the way.
So we've come out a little further, and when you get to the mooring balls, if you see, like, if there's not these yellow balls around the area, the yellow balls mean you cannot fish there. And then also when you see brown, run aground. Do not go on that because that's gonna be the reef. So it's getting brown up here, so we know that that is, we're coming up to the reef, but there's also a mooring ball, so I think you can fish here. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna give it a try.
Longer. You just have to grab it to get in the boat. You don't have to have it by the hole. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, nasty. Disgusting. That thing is freaking just slimy.
Well, I don't think you're supposed to touch it.
Well, yeah, well, I don't think we're boaters here.
All right, so we are officially tied up to our first mooring ball. Okay, now we're gonna go find a snorkeling spot. We have to find a ball to hook up to, and we gotta make sure that we can get there before all the many tours and we see them. But also we can follow a tour.
Yeah.
So there's that, to find the right spot.
Hi, let's go. Alright, let's take up the dinner weather forecast today.
We did it. We got a mooring ball right in the snorkeling area. You can see it behind me. There's even some snorkel boats behind me. So we're gonna do a little snorkeling here.
Sunny days, no clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking day. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, all the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter, baby, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shop, oh yeah. I'm crazy trying to take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop.
This is absolutely incredible.
It's gorgeous. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but the turquoise, beautiful blue, green, it's just ridiculous.
Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break.
So we're going to attempt to lure the fish in with some
Chum. Stuff's disgusting.
Yeah. Oh, what is that?
It's fish parts.
Ew.
We're gonna throw some out here and try to get some kind of. So I caught a little fish, and then the barracuda got the little fish, and I could see that I had the barracuda on, but he only had the fish. I brought him up, he was kind of tore up, and then I put it back down there, and he got him again. And he was already done for anyway, but I wouldn't have put him back in, but he was already in pretty bad shape.
Key Largo did not disappoint. This was so much fun. I had a really great time.
Me too, it was great.
We got to do some snorkeling, some fishing, we caught fish, we cooked fish, we did biking, we did kayaking, and then we ended today with a culmination of us doing all of these things on our own on the ocean, which was absolutely fantastic. And I saw a sea turtle, 2 of them,
Yeah.
which was so cool.
Exactly, too.
So now it's time for us to get back to Be Free Acres, to our
Right.
property, and continue the saga of building our family compound, which we're super excited about. So if you like this video and you haven't watched any of the other videos from Key Largo, go back and watch those videos and check out some of the excursions that we did. And if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. We would love to share our adventures with you. So you can also check out our website at www.befreebenson.com.
And remember, stepping outside the box, doing crazy things, allows you to be free
See you
in the next adventure.